Hey there, welcome to Beyond Healthcare. Have you ever heard the term medical tourism? Sounds like a strange combo, right? Traveling for medical reasons, kind of like mixing a hospital for a holiday. Well, stick with me for next few minutes and I promise you'll not only know exactly what medical tourism is, but you'll also understand why millions of people are crossing borders to get treated and also why India is suddenly at the center of it. And hey, before we dive in, if you're curious about global healthcare, insider medical tips, and wellness with a purpose, don't forget to subscribe to Beyond Healthcare. We have got tons of information, scoops just lined for you. Let's rewind way back in history. In ancient India, people journeyed to Ayurvedic centers and healing retreats where natural herbs and holistic therapies were not only the cornerstone of wellness. People also traveled to ancient Roman and Greek towns to soak in natural hot springs and mineral baths. It was believed these had healing powers. That, my friend, was the traditional form of medical tourism, wellness, and nature. Let's fast forward to today, and it's evolved in the ways you won't even believe. In today's world, modern medical tourism means flying to another country, not just to relax, but for surgeries, checkups, even major treatments at a fraction of cost, without months of waiting, and sometimes with better facilities. So, how did this all go global? Well, healthcare is expensive, and in countries like the US, UK, and Canada, waiting times can stretch for months, especially for non-emergency procedures. That's when people started looking abroad. Asia, Eastern Europe, even Latin America suddenly became hotspots for affordable, high-quality medical care. Talking about late 1990s to early 2000s, this was when countries like India, Thailand, and Singapore began positioning themselves as affordable, high-quality destinations for medical purpose. Then 2004 to 2010, these years saw massive growth in global awareness. Then 2012 to 2019, a global period for structured medical tourism. Governments, especially India, began officially promoting medical tourism. And finally, 2020s onwards, post-COVID rebound. After a dip during the pandemic, medical tourism started bouncing back stronger than ever. And then there's India, a game changer in the story. Over the past 2 decades, India has quietly become a global giant in medical tourism. And no, it's not just about low cost, it's about value. You get top-notch doctors, state-of-the-art hospitals, English-speaking staff, and holistic care all rolled into one. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are people coming for? Think dental, implants, cosmetic surgeries, knee or hip replacements, fertility treatments like IVF, cardiac procedures, even cancer care, etc. And guess what? In many cases, the success rates in India are just high or even higher than in the West. And here's some interesting part. The internet is making this even bigger. People research clinics, check doctor ratings, read real patient reviews, and even book everything right from their phones. Medical tourism agencies now offer complete packages, treatment, accommodation, translator, even sightseeing. Yes, some even recover while sipping coconut water by the beach in Kerala or visiting the Taj Mahal post-surgery in Agra. Where else do you get healthcare with a cultural experience? And if we are talking about India, we have to talk about Pune. Why Pune? Because it's one of the India's fastest growing metropolitan cities with amazing weather, a strong multicultural vibe, and one of the best healthcare ecosystems. It's home to renowned medical colleges, top-tier research centers, and advanced diagnostic and treatment facilities. Plus, Pune has a well-connected airport, a growing metro system, and a kind of mixed global professionals. Thanks to the many MNCs here, that means great food, great stay options, and a warm, welcoming crowd. So now that you know medical tourism isn't just a trend, it's a movement. It's reshaping healthcare across the world. And if you're looking for advanced treatments without breaking the bank, India might just be the place you have been searching for. Still wondering if it's the right time for you or someone you know? Maybe it's time to think global, because health has no borders. Swipe left on long waiting lines and sky-high bills. Like, share, subscribe to Contact Beyond Healthcare, where healing meets hospitality. This isn't just about travel, it's about transformation. Slide into our DMs and let's treat you the way you deserve.